Hello students, hope that you all are fine and safe at your home. Class 4, Subject English A, Unit 2, The Lion and the Mouse, continuation, page number 15. Yesterday we read the first two paragraphs of Unit 2. Today we will learn the last two paragraphs and come to know that how a little mouse helped a big lion. Next week, the mouse was again looking for something to eat. Looking means the act of searching, ढूंढना. He saw the lion under a tree. Under means below. He was tied tightly in a net of strong ropes. Tied means fastened or bound closely, बंधे होना. He could not move. I will help you, said the mouse. He bit through one of the ropes. His teeth were very sharp. A mouse was little in size, but he had a very sharp teeth. Then he bit through another rope and then another. यानी कि एक के बाद एक उस छोटी ropes को क्या करता रहा हमने बट करता रहा. Soon the lion was free. Free means released, आजाद. He was very pleased. Pleased means happy. Thank you, he said. Thank you very much. Important points. The next week, the mouse was again looking for something to eat. He saw the lion under a tree. He was tied tightly in a net of strong ropes. I will help you, said the mouse. He bit through one of the ropes. His teeth were very sharp. Soon the lion was free. He was very pleased. Thank you, he said. Thank you very much. Here are the words and their meanings. Looking for, the act of searching. Second one is under, below. Third, tied, fastened or bound closely. Fourth, sharp, needle-like, बहुत तेज. Fifth one, pleased, happy. Sixth, free, release, आजाद होना. Here is the activity number 1 which you have to perform. Put in the missing word and complete sentences. A mouse was looking for dash to eat something to eat. He ran into a fierce lion. The lion would not let him, the mouse, go. The mouse said, one day I will help you. The lion let the mouse go. The next week, the mouse saw the lion. The lion was in a net made of strong ropes. The mouse bit through the ropes to let the lion free. The lion said, thank you very much. Here is the activity number 2 which you have to perform in your homework office and also learn it. Answer the following question. Why did the mouse go outside? He went outside in search of food. Second one, what happened when the lion caught the mouse? He held him tightly and would not let him go. Third one, why was lion laughing? He laughed that how could a little mouse help a big lion? Fourth one, where did the mouse run? He ran into a fierce lion. Fifth one, what was the specialty of a mouse? His teeth were very sharp. Sixth one, who was free? The lion was free. Okay students, this is your today's lesson. I hope that you understood it. I will see you guys in my next lesson video. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed.